Hello, my lovely viewer. Today I'm going to unbox this DJI Action mount for my Action 6. The packaging looks premium. Uh, the packaging looks similar to Apple products, and the unboxing is also similar to that. So they put similar peeling, like so. Let's see what we have. Uh, So the box contains two items. One is actual product, and the second is a screw, which is used to mount the camera. The quality seems very premium. It's soft, rubbery touch. At the same time, it has three flat uh, point throughout this loop. So these 3 points you can move under this rubber. Internally, it has some metal, so it keeps into the shape, and you can move a line according to your next size shape, or sometimes you just twist it to hang somewhere. The locking mechanism, I really feel like it's troublesome because you have to align properly, then only it goes in. But once it goes in, it's very secure and not as easy to come out. So there's good part and bad part, that you don't accidentally unlock it, or it by default did not get unlocked. But putting it really a troublesome thing. So I was comparing this with another like Telecine products. They have this cylindrical locking system which is easy to lock. You don't need to align, you just push in and it locked. But anyway, it's not a big deal for me. So let's mount our camera and see how it looks, how sturdy and stable it is on the mount. And later on, I'll go out and record while I'm walking to see whether it keeps the video stabilized, or uh, is that really bumpy when I'm walking, though I walk very fast. Okay. So here, after locking the camera on the mount, it looks pretty stable. Yeah, as you can see, like I'm trying to move, but it's not moving. Good part is you can mount in certain angle as well, like until 180 degree you can mount it. uh, like you can tight the screw until like up to 180 degree. So it's up to you which direction you wants to record, but for me it's pretty stable, so it's easy to mount. And thanks to this adapter, which is like a dual side magnetic, so you can put camera into both direction. So it's a magnetic mount and very easy to mount and unmount. That's the part which I really like. I'm going to put this camera on different like my selfie stick, on my bicycle, and as well as on my neck. So here the look after I putting into my neck, and it seems pretty stable and comfortable. When I'm trying to move, I will move back and forth and see it's like hanging in between or just keeping stick with my neck. Okay, so here we go. Let me move back and forth and see whether it's moving or so. It's not moving. It's being intact with my neck. And now I'm outside to see whether it gives the stable recording or it's really bumpy. So I'm recording with this steady mode. There are two different mode. One is steady mode, another one is steady plus. So it sounds pretty stable for me and comfortable as well, because holding camera in hand is always like one of your hand is occupied. So it gives me that freedom that I can use my hand to capture another angle, like through the other camera, or click picture, or anything I wanted to do. Okay. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit a subscribe button and like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.